This picture is showing you the human brain, and the roots are Enceph and Cerebro. And while I have the opportunity, I want to give you the names of these regions of the brain. This thing in the back, let me see if I can go a little bit lighter with my pen. This is called the brain stem. And this is where a lot of vital life functions are controlled. The brain stem. This is the back of the brain. Here's the cerebellum that helps with balance and other things, but that's the cerebellum. That is telling me that we're looking at the back of the brain. This yellow area is called the frontal lobe. This would be the forehead of the person whose brain this is. The parietal is the top of the head. The parietal lobe. Frontal lobe. This back area right here, the back of the head, is the occipital lobe. This is where your vision is controlled. If you get hit in this area, you will very often see stars. A growth or a rupture in this area can cause blindness. It's the area that controls vision. And then these areas right here at the sides, these are the temporal lobes, the sides of the head. So that is the left temporal lobe. So just in case you ever need to know those parts, this is a really good picture to illustrate them because they're different colors. Enceph refers to the whole brain, the entire brain, Enceph. Cerebrum refers to the four lobes. So this is Cerebro. Enceph is the entire brain. So these words are similar but not synonymous. Okay, an encephalogram. Now I need a little bit darker pen. Not that dark. Sorry. When I enlarge the picture, I have to shrink the pen. So we have Enceph, gram. So my root, actually I've got suffix first because I have blue. My root is going to be Enceph or Encepha. Encepha refers to the whole brain. And a printed record goes with gram. An encephalogram generates a printed record of whole brain activity. So if you have a patient who is experiencing weird neurologic symptoms, you might do an encephalogram to see what's going on in that brain. Okay, this one, cerebro, spinal, cerebrospinal, refers to two roots. You have cereb and spine. So you have the cerebrum, those are the four lobes where thinking occurs, and the spine. So you're looking at the two of those things together. The term that comes to mind is cerebrospinal. I remember a case in forensic medicine where a patient had passed away, and one of the complaints that he had before he died was a strong metallic taste in his mouth. And that was something that he presented with. It was a natural death, but he presented with that strong metallic taste. And it came to be that he had been leaking cerebrospinal fluid and was tasting that strong metallic taste. And he had some other issues, but he eventually died. And the hospital autopsy revealed that that was one of the problems, or one of the symptoms of the problems. Cerebrospinal.